Talaga puting. Here you go.
I like ice cream.
Hold properly, and then you can say hi.
Hi.
We're here in...
Hong Kong.
Oh, no touch because it has a...
You touch your face so that he can follow you. Okay. Enough.
Okay, why you don't follow me? You follow me.
Pray
You
ka muna.
robot.
Okay, you galaw, it will follow
We
you.
safe landed
You
here.
go there. Wow. You pray muna, kuya. Pray. Pray. Wow.
It's good. I can
It's
try.
good.
I can try.
Don't, ano lang.
Mommy.
Ano the lens? Don't pihit.
Mommy, I see you lang.
If you want to video mommy like this, you
Move, mommy.
I will double tap mommy.
Mommy, no, you go there. You go there. It will follow you. I think it will follow you. Okay. Okay. Go down like this one. Go down like this one. It follow you then.
Okay.
But
Oh,
me.
no galaw. Recording.
I don't follow you. Let's try baby Jan Jan.
Okay, off. Oh, peace sign again so it will turn off. Peace sign here. Hi guys.
No, I like the picture, mommy. Mommy, follow me.
Dito kami sa salita. Crystal Jade. Favorite daw ni Miss Molog. Wow, Miss.
$50 gig pala ako eh.
Vlog ako. Hindi kaya pala. Taiwan na lang.
Kaya bunso, ikaw na lang mag-vlog.
Email na lang. Yes.
Cards.
Wet wipes niya. Saka yung cellphone niya.
Okay, ang recording.
Ito, activate ka.
Oo nga.
Ganda naman ang baby ko.
Nasaan anak?
Ganda na.
Boss, may cash
Ilan
back
ka?
ako.
Isa't ka lahat.
Hello! Hi! 50 gig, 5 days. 7 pala. 7 day pass. 50 gig. 20 gig Hong Kong. Pag naka-order.
Order na. Sige. Oo, nagkakaisa mo. Hindi, ikaw. Outfit track. Ay! What? Red car? Red car? Ay, ganito. Sa iyo pupunta yung...
Hug?
Oops! No. Yan. Sa'yo na. Sundan ka naman. Kunwari. Ay, galaw mo. Not her.
Pag ganito.
Tutorial yan din.
Pag ganito.
Okay, so ngayon nandito na kami sa... Where are we? Hong Kong. Say Hong Kong. Hong Kong. And Oliver is eating lugaw. And Mommy will eat xiaolongbao. And wonton soup. Are you okay? Did you cry? Hindi ka naman nag-cry sa airplane, di ba? Airport. Maybe. Okay, it's Oliver's second time here in Hong Kong. The first one was with Dada. Nice! But he's still inside Mommy's tummy. Sabihin no, hindi sila nagtagpo. Wow! Ang sakit. Okay, yun. Ang ganda. Ang liwanag niya. Okay, bye-bye. Ang puti namin dito. Say bye-bye, baby. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Kiss, kiss, mommy.
Kiss, kiss, mami, kiss. Kiss. Kung sinusundan siya. Kasi napaano, kamay. I love you, baby. I love you.
Hi.
Kung mga hindi marunong mag-chop. Ay, sabi ako.
Wonton soup. At Crystal Gin.
Ay, video ako. Kala ko namin. Hello.
Complete order daw.
Hindi na lang akong nabutas eh.
Oo.
Ang sarap. Paano ba? Ano to, Chara? Sarap. Galing kita pa rin ako kahit nandito na. Legit ba? Parang sup-sup. Eh di sumabog na.
Look at the ano. Look at the camera. Look at the camera, baby. Ayan. Sweet.
Malakas lang to kaya
Ayan, Mommy will eat wonton soup.
Ano pinapanood mo? Ay, ayaman yan? Tingin! Tingin, tingin, tingin! Uy!
Natanggalin daw sa school yung AI. Kaya lang, hindi ka naman dito rin sa AI. Hindi ka naman dito sa trabaho. Hindi ka naman dito.
Okay. Try. Saan si Niel? Okay. Try lang. Try lang mag-vlog. Tamo, hindi ka siya mukha ko sa... Talagang hindi marunong mag-vlog. So... Butay tayo. So, ang oras na ngayon ay 12:11. Kain lang namin. Hindi kami bumili ng drinks kasi mahal. Mama, vlog ka po, ma. Hello. So, how are you?
Ito fine. And masaya-masaya. We're here at Hong Kong. And then mamaya, inintay namin pag-pick up sa amin ng Balenciaga.
Poster.
Ng poster.
Nag-avail tayo ng sa Klook.
Yes. And doon tayo naka-check-in sa Disneyland.
Hollywood
Hotel for 4 days. God is good all the time.
Nakakahiya pala mo. May tumitingin kasi pag nagbablog. Galing din nila naman.
Hello.
So, ayun ma, natigman na natin yung kinakain ni Small Laude.
Yes.
Ano pangalan ma?
Ang pangalan ay Crystal Jade. Dito there. Crystal Jade.
Yeah.
Crystal Jade. The food was great.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ano
And
naman
then-
sabi niya, bashing?
Just for fun.
Just for fun. No bashing. Just for fun.
Nakakahiya pala. Sabi ni Niel, may kasamang microphone daw to may kaya
No bashing. Just for fun.
okay.
Gusto kong dalhin natin dito si Abe. Bed. Next.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye ka muna ma.
Ay, bye for now. See you later.
Dito niya? I-check ko kung may visa. Where's your alaga kuya? Down here.
So guys, naliligaw na po kami. Ang lalim naman ito, masyado naman yung sinundan yung ikaw. Oo, kahit igano na. sobrang ano ko na.
Follower. Hindi. Double tap mo. Ayun.
Ganda. Ganda na camera na to. Okay, so naliligaw po kami. Tanda namin to, dito kami dumaan dati. Tapos buntis pa ako. Buntis pa ako. Tapos ang haba ng nilakad namin dito sa airport. Tapos ganito lang ako maglakad. Ngayon, carrier na ang dala ko. Wala tayong baby. Yung baby nandos. Makulit. Ay. Ganda! Hindi mo yung kulay ng buhok natin. And steady siya. Nakatakot ng magano. Bali agad. Sira agad. Okay, bye. Grabe naman. Sana all naman talaga dito. Sana all naman dito sa dalawang to. Kung tayo ay matanda na sana di tayo magbago. Mother! Tama na.
We got our own coaster again. So ngayon, kakaalis lang namin sa airport. Ang ganda ng camera.
Sino talaga yung ano? Na mental.
Mas maganda talaga mag-airport transfer because mahirap magdala ng maleta.
Oh, there's a bundok.
May nasikaso si Pukmay sa baba.
Di ba doon tayo nakita sa mga...
Kulay-kulay yan, kulay yan.
Mama sa Pasko nga sa Japan, ganito.
Sa kabila. Sa kabila. Very.
Yeah, we're here now.
Hindi ko alam kung saan kukunan.
Naya. Jan, welcome to Disneyland. The happiest place in the Philippines.
No, Hong Kong.
Hong Kong nga.
That's what I'm telling you,
tayo sa
pa.
container.
Oh, thank you po, ate. Mama, papa, kuya. We are here.
Hollywood Hotel.
7-Eleven na. Ano na rin, Hotel?
Disneyland.
Ano na rin, oh.
Maganda naman yan sa loob.
Dig.
Mickey Mouse. Hindi ka pala dito.
Miggy, where are we? Nangbubudol na po siya. Mama, video aja din ako. Grabe! Alam mo, artista para si ano. Makinis kayo ni Mickey Mouse.
I break it so we can show it to my
Done ka na?
Okay, so if you want to get the question, so you need to answer me the question. Okay? So do you love this book?
Yes!
Okay. So for you, I give you an easy question. Okay? Okay. So can you answer me what characters is inside the shop? Sitting inside the shop. Really? Who is it? Take a look. Who is it?
Ayaw. Wow!
Yellow one. Okay, so which one of you get a ball? Okay, and then the question again. You love Disney, right?
Yes!
Okay. You want an easy one or hard?
Easy.
Easy one. Okay. Can you give me 3 Disney princesses?
Cinderella, Belle, Ariel.
You
Yeah!
get the one. You get the green one.
Good. So you want an easy one or hard? Easy one. Okay. Oh, you want to try? Okay. Can you name 3 Disney characters? They're dogs.
Dogs. Pluto. Pluto.
Goofy.
And... Miggy, who's ano pa dog? Slinky! Slinky dog.
Okay.
Teamwork. Okay.
You want a hot? You want a hard?
I get the blue color.
Because earlier is...
Okay. So let me see. Can you name 3 Disney characters there with tails?
Big tails. Like T-Rex in the Toy Story. Big tail. Nick Wilde has the fox with the tail.
Oh, yeah, Nick.
And Ariel. What?
You forgot. I think I saw that thing.
Who got a tail?
My
from
bad.
Ariel?
My bad.
Wait. Mickey Mouse.
Yes,
Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, it's black.
So we have 3 different colors represent 3 different presents.
So for the blue one,
For the blue one is a pen.
yay! So for the yellow one is a dog. Okay, so for the red one is a hair clip. Thank you. Can we take? Oh my God, we're here at Hong Kong Disneyland.
Yeah.
Oh my God, ang dami na agad tukso,
A
guys.
lollipop.
It's
of
real.
Disney.
It's Nick Wilde.
It's a card.
Uy, ang cute naman.
Ay, no, you're not the cute talaga. You forgot me. You forgot me.
Yeah, Nick Wilde.
It's a baby.
Oh, Fast is here, Mickey. Fast is here. Fast is here.
No, it's the snake. Oh, what you remember this?
Wow.
Them.
I-return na.
You got to buy here. It's not good to buy.
Buti, nagpabangan si Dada.
Ha?
Sani!
Over.
Akala ko ikaw nagaya dito.
Sabi ko, check in. Sani, look!
Miggy lang.
Here's this cardboard now. What's lang dito?
No, everyone. Miggy. How many will you buy kaya?
Wow!
Wow, tuwan-tuwa siya. Who will libre you ba?
Wala.
Si Dada.
Thank you, Dada. Wala.
Who's that?
di-display mo
Oh
na sa
my
bahay.
God. Uy, ibalik mo.
Ma! 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 Ma!
Hindi siya mapakalit eh. Ako din eh. Come here.
But I don't know to choose. We got something.
Let's roll here.
Let's start. We got Mama, gosh. I mean.
I like it.
It is bad. Like you.
Sana
Mama,
ibigay ako ni Kuya.
Mama, it's really good here. It's good. Ako yan.
Bye. Miggy, who's this daw? It's
Later.
Mater.
Go out. He'll break it agad.
No buy for him, he'll break it agad.
He likes to make it grow.
Wow, Miggy, you try it. Upside down nga, Kuya. Try mo. Baliktad.
Wow! Spider-Man!
Lobat na.
This is Who's this one?
Woody.
Ganda nga yan sa'yo, Sunny. Ayun o.
Ang laki daw eh. Laki sa'yo. Grabe, hindi na ako magtanda o gagad.
Hindi mo ito bahay, ha? Tapong ka ng tapong. Oh, pap. Ay, wag yan.
Uy.
Bibilan ng dalawang bata. Si Miggy lang, tsaka si Sunny sana. Yung isa, wag man. May trabaho na yun.
Oh, it's so pretty here. It's Minnie. Minnie. Minnie Mouse. Wow!
That's like us.
Yeah. Yay! Done na. Cut na lang to ni Nina.
We saw the
Nakibig.
and why you press the nose? I press the nose like
Hey, hit me.
These love. You then what's inside?
Magsasana.
My God, no. Anong my first time in the glass.
Really, Kuya?
Vlog eh.
My ganda. Why you do that one? What's that?
Diba?
9642 tsaka 9640.
9.
Aray mo. Meron pa.
Pa? Hey, pa naman eh.
Ay, ganda yan.
Uy, ganda.
I think our is
M-I-C-K-E-Y.
I think our room is ganda din.
Push.
Ay, push! You push! Ay, ganda!
Wow. Hi, Mickey! Wow, Mickey! Oh my gosh! Ganda, ganda! Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God! Ba't umilang mo yan?
Wow! Wow, ganda!
Holiday.
Di ba cute food?
Oo, yan nga yung list
Ito mga boy.
voucher sa pagkain at sa mga merch.
Okay. Ang dami. Diba? So, ang view natin. Ba't ganyan view?
Yung castle na yan eh.
Ha?
Ito yung castle.
Fireworks. Hala, hindi ko na mabahal. So, ito yung CR. Oh, ganda. Ang ganda naman.
M-I-C-K-E-Y. I have fun with it here.
Sorry! I'm so sorry!
Okay lang, sure lang yan.
Okay. Sorry!
We can remove our... No.
Wow! Ang gamitin!
Ito ba sabi talaga?
Wow! Diyan, wala nila! May bata. Grabe.
Bata, I can see.
May uwi natin to.
Yes, mauwi natin. Wow!
Maluwag ang bag namin.
Daddy!
Sige, binyagan na.
Isang kopi lang.
Gusto ko mag-room tour. Guys, room tour lang ako.
Ganda!
Okay, picture muna tayo. Ito may nanek. Ganun na lang. Dance. Welcome to our Disney Hollywood Hotel!
Bayad dyan.
Connecting room! Connecting room!
Pilis ka muna.
Yay!
Catch my toy!
Yay! Ano yan yan? Free?
Picture nga muna natin. Hello! Hello! Hi!
Tour.
Yes. Okay, unahin po natin. This is our room. My connecting room. Okay, this is our room.
What do you have here?
Here, the Mickey Mouse.
Look, I like
Look at
it!
the it's
Now
Kanina
showing.
nakailaw siya. Ewan ko ngayon ba't namatay. Oh, no.
What's inside
Let me
here?
see.
Tumawa.
Hello, Mickey Mouse.
Muska, Mickey. Mouse.
Yes, okay.
How about the amenities?
Here, oh.
Wow.
And then, did you see? Ano na ba sa loob?
It's like for staying. How many sleepers do you have?
I have here! Wow, I have 1 to 8.
8 sleepers.
So beautiful.
And one working girl.
One working girl. Same
How about
girl.
your toilet, bathroom?
Here. Oh, may salamin.
Wow, may salamin.
And look, and the shampoo. And we have the air dryer. And the bathtub. My God. So ganda. So ganda. Come here na ako. Oh my God. Ang ganda. Grabe.
Pero huwag na, baka mauntok siya yun. Dyan.
Okay, let's go back. Let's go back.
Let's go to the other room.
Kumapit. Kumapit na lang siya.
Lumot ang sa langit.
Stand up.
Natutuwa din siya.
Okay na lahat.
Of course, we have the coffee break, coffee corner. Yeah.
Yan.
And ang aking mga ako say sobrang saya-saya because of the Mickey Mouse. And this is the other room. Si ate, and si ate. And we have amenities here.
Hinihika na po. What's your view? And we have vouchers. And this is the view of our room. I think it's like the Disneyland Hotel, the other hotel. Resort. So here we are, staying here. Bye-bye! Say bye-bye, Miggy! Dadan!
Bye-bye to our vlog.
Quiet.
Bye-bye.
It's sticker!
Tago mo muna, baka makita ni Jan Jan. Pero bigyan mo si Jan Jan.
It's like we will build it.
room.
No, wait lang,
I
wait
think
lang.
we will build it.
Wait lang. No. draw this one, even this girl.
Yeah.
I cannot do that. I'm not.
It's Mickey Mouse. It's not the girl. It's their theme kasi of the party. We're having...
For you, you're a girl. Girl ka.
Oh! Oh, ikaw din. Sumama ka na dito.
Put it here.
1, 2, 3. Natakot. 1, 2, 3. Over ikaw. We are here at Disney Hollywood Hotel.
Body tap.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Ito pa yan, patulogin pa nga yan. Para